JEDI is our new social justice inclusion program. It's an innovative program targeted towards our Black and global majority students. And we're essentially providing pathways of success and aspirations to unlock the student potential. If you look into research specifically within the BAME attainment gap, you can see a lot of disparities specifically with our Black and global majority students. And we have to ask ourselves, why does that exist? We're now changing that into action to say, what can we do to change it within our university? So there's many different aspects to JEDI. JEDI is for our Black and global majority students. However, there are aspects of JEDI that are open to all people. We have the JEDI module, for example, that is specifically for our Black and global majority students, because we believe in creating those safe spaces for those individuals to be able to share their experiences with one another. But on the other hand, we have our Grapevine, which is our critical conversation cafe, and that is open to every person in the university, both staff and students. JEDI is about unlocking our student potential.
The reason I was interested is because I just wanted to meet some people, because last year during lockdown I wasn't able to get out, meet other people and do activities. So it was just something like networking, because also it intertwines with my course. It helps me with my studies as well because of the management. Obviously you're going to be coming in contact with different cultures, learning about different things, learning about different people, different experiences, and also how to be more like, I wouldn't say accepting, but be more understanding of other personal point of views, other experiences, and which will help you as a person, isn't it? Like extracurricular learning, obviously learning about different businesses, also different cultures. My ambition is to get into the jewellery industry. Obviously there's different cultures that influence jewellery significantly, and learning how to source materials. Obviously you need to have international ties, international links. So obviously anything to do with culture would basically help me in my path I'm trying to go into. It's very interactive. Our teacher helps us with debates. One of our modules is to do a debate. So obviously in JEDI we're talking about our experiences, so it's helping me learn debate skills that I can use in my class.